Whoa. Oh. Yeah. Oh. It's that shit. Oh. Bullshit. Oh. Oh.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla, aka amariaaaj, and for today's video I'm going to be showing y'all about 10, maybe 15 or so, whatever, hairstyles with box braids. Before we even get into that, one, my edges are sweated out because I was making TikToks. Two, follow me on my social media. You can follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, both my Instagrams, my business one and my main one, Snapchat, and TikTok, because I'm up there all day, every day. That's all I do. So, before we get into the hairstyles, I want to make a few things clear. First of all, I did these box braids myself, and it was my first time doing these box braids. I did them like 2.5 weeks ago. I didn't really know what I was doing. I just watched the video, went to the hair store, and braided it. Very, very, very long process. But the next time I do these, I am going to do a video because I am going to keep doing them. Because I'm trying to grow my natural hair out because I have a 𝙊𝙀𝙀𝙉. And girl, I don't have time. I was in school, I'm in college, and I don't have time to be doing my hair. And I don't have time to be doing it now, even though I have nothing but time. But I don't want to do it. So, yeah. I did it myself. If you see these blonde pieces, those are the ends of my hair. My hair was blonde, and then it grew out, and I was cutting it onto other stuff. And I have a little bit of blonde hair left. And, yeah. Yeah. So that's what that is, and I don't know how to tug. Like I said, it was my first time doing my box braids myself, or doing my hair for real. So yeah, it's not perfect. I also did the rubber band method. I promise y'all the next time I do my hair, when the beauty supply stores open again, I will show y'all what I did. Also, since I have a 𝙊𝙀𝙀𝙀, there are some parts of my hair that can't be gripped. So like some of this side couldn't have been gripped, and like a small portion of my back of my head, it couldn't be gripped. So if you see some hair, like I'll show y'all, like this right here, it couldn't be gripped. Probably couldn't see it, but it couldn't, slow down, it could not be gripped, so it's out. I don't really care. I wear my hair up, I don't care. And the barbershop's closed, so even if I wanted to get a haircut back there, I couldn't. Oh, also, these are medium size butt length braids, if y'all were wondering. And I'm gonna actually stand up and show y'all. They are very, very long. They are very, hold on. Whew. They're very, very long. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So yeah. Oh, also make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. All of that. Do all of that, okay? Okay, so that 10 to 15 really turns to be 5 because I really only wear my hair in one way or in like a few ways, and those were it. So that's what I was giving you. It's what I would wear. And any other hairstyle, I don't really know how to do. But yes, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on socials. My Twitter, Instagrams, Snapchat, and TikTok will all be in the description box down below, so you guys can check me out there. Talk to me there. I be bored. We're in quarantine. I know you ain't got nobody to talk to, so you talk to me. Okay? Okay. Bye. See ya. Ooh.